Hello everyone, this is Rajiv Kohli and welcome back to our channel The Teacher, and in this tutorial I will tell you about PowerPoint object model, document window, method and properties. And one of them is about the shape position relative to screen. So if you Google and search for PowerPoint object model, document window, then you will come up with this page here. And what it actually does is it's represent a document window. A document window is object is a member of the document windows collection. The document windows collection contain all the open document windows. And inside this document window object, if you look for methods, then you will find PointToScreenPixelsX value and PointToScreenPixelsY value. And if you click on this, then you will find out that what is this used for. It converts a horizontal measurement from point to pixels, used to return a horizontal screen location for a text frame or a shape. So it means that the PowerPoint coordinate system works in points. As you see inside the font section, here we have the 72 point size, and 72 points are equal to 1 inch, and the same way you have to convert them into pixel as well. So why I am telling you all this, because you might be working with some projects like I am doing with my PowerPoint add-in, and I have also connected a WPF application in the backend, and in that WPF application I have a few UI elements that I want to position according to shape position within the slide and within the PowerPoint window on this screen having a resolution of 1920 by 1080. And I have also shown you in my previous videos that I was still unable to exactly position this custom rotation point in the middle and the center of the selected shape. But I think yesterday I exactly found out that how we can exactly measure the center and middle position of the selected shape. As you are seeing this PowerPoint window right now, and my add-in is loaded inside the task pane, but along with that a WPF application is also running in the background as out of process application, and in that application I have a custom rotation point. So when I turn on this, you can see this custom rotation point that I have created using WPF application, and what I wanted that this should be positioned in the middle and center of the selected shape. So yesterday when I was working on this from past many months to exactly position the custom rotation point in the middle and center, but unfortunately the calculation was so typical and so tough that I was unable to position it exactly where I wanted. So if I select this shape and click on object properties, and here you can see that the relative to screen position is 405 pixel by 317 pixels. So if you have not installed PowerToys, you can go and install this from the store, and inside this PowerToys you will find screen ruler, and you can turn on that screen ruler by pressing Ctrl Shift Start and M key, and that will bring the screen ruler on top. And here I would like to show you the position of this shape according to the screen. So I start drawing this from the top left corner of the shape and move upwards, and it says 405 by 316. So it exactly matches with what we find out through the display object properties class that I have also shared with you earlier. And you can see that we are exactly finding out the shape position according to screen coordinates, and we are converting that screen coordinates into slide coordinates and vice versa. So let me now draw another shape here. Let me clear all this, and now we draw a new shape, a rectangle shape, and I move that shape into the center and middle of the slide, and we adjust the zoom level to 100%. And now as soon as I will select this shape, you can see that the custom rotation point position is automatically configured in the middle and center of the slide. So as we are sending the detailed information about the selected shape to the WPF application, and there we are aligning the custom rotation point in the middle and center of the shape. So for that we must use this relative to screen, and for that we have to use the point to screen pixel X and Y values from the object model. That will convert the point system into pixel system, because WPF application works on the pixel system but the PowerPoint works on point system. So to tell the WPF application that where the shape exactly located according to screen coordinates, you must use these two values. So let me draw another shape here, and this time I choose a rectangle shape and align it to the center and middle of the slide, and now I turn on the custom rotation point again, and this time the zoom level is 101%, and according to this zoom level, if I reselect the shape, then you can see that it has automatically adjusted the custom rotation point in the middle and center. But the only problem is right now is if I change the size or move the shape, then I have to unselect and reselect the shape to have the custom rotation point in the middle and center. We are working on real-time synchronization between the WPF application and the PowerPoint VSTO add-in, but right now we have successfully measured and positioned our custom rotation point in the middle and center of the selected shape. So even if I change the size, position or the zoom level, we are still getting an accurate position for our custom rotation point, which should be in the middle and center of the selected shape. Not only that, if I also change the size and position of the PowerPoint window itself and reselect the shape, then still we are getting the accurate position for our custom rotation point. Point to screen pixel X value and point to screen pixel Y value, and that way you will be able to position your WPF UI elements as you want it. So I hope you will find this video informative and useful. Let me know by liking, sharing and commenting. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye and take care.